Well guys, this is the Ruger 1022. It is a legendary, iconic rifle. And one of the reasons it's so popular, one of the most popular rifles out there, is great for not only the novice, the beginner, but also advanced shooters. It's extremely accurate and super easy to use. It's probably so popular just for even kids to get into shooting. And you know, this was my first rifle I ever had. So very first rifle was a Ruger 1022, and I've purchased a couple of them over the years, and one of my sons has one of these now. And it is just such a fun, accurate gun to shoot. And I want to show you this here today because, you know, I think that probably every, I don't know, warm-blooded, good American should have this particular gun in their collection. So whether you're just up at the range like we are today, doing some plinking, or if you like hunting, you know, squirrels and rabbits, stuff like that, just a perfect all-around gun for that. And it's got an 18.5-inch barrel, and it is so customizable. I mean, there's all kinds of things that you can add to this. This is just the standard right here. There's no scope obviously on here, but you can add so many different things to this. And this is just the wood stock, but they also come in all the different kind of carbines, different kinds of synthetic and other kinds of stocks as well. Just really, really customizable, all kinds of options for this very iconic gun. And you know, right here I've just got the just some iron sights that are on here, little gold bead at the end. A lot of sights that I've noticed, the front sight and the rear sight is just too much of a distinction and difference, and so it's hard to get really accurate shots. But that's not the case with this. All right, so let me just show you this part right here. Obviously, here is the lever for the magazine. And you got a 10-round rotary style magazine here. And so it's easy to load. They make, you know, obviously much bigger magazines, but it just slides right in there, super easy. This is this will lock back the charging handle right here. So if you want to lock that back, you can just simply pull that down and then it locks it. So that's really, really nice. So, you know, on this whole setup here, obviously you got your safety. Of course, red means it is ready to fire. Safety is off. Push that over like that. But that is really, that is it. It's super easy for that reason. So I'm not going to load it right now, but loading that in and then charging it, and then you're ready to go. Ready to fire, put the safety off, and that is it. So it is super, super nice gun. And I've just really have enjoyed this, and shooting, like I said, with my boys, just a fantastic overall rifle. Well guys, hope that's been helpful for you today, but thanks so much for your support for us, for our channel. If you're not done, so please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel, and we'll see you on the next video.